Is the lighting alright? Actual vibe though. Is everything alright? Is it a cute thumbnail? I'm not sure. Probably not. Let's do it anyway. Like straight up vibe. I am so ready for this video. You guys don't even know. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Kmart haul. I'm so excited for this Kmart haul because honestly I think it's going to be the best Kmart haul I've ever done. It's currently like 5 o'clock, so if the sun's going down I do apologise for that. And also I am sounding a little bit congested right now because I am fighting like this cold at the moment, which is just wonderful. Like I feel like every time I get my life together, something happens. Why is it like blue in here now? First things first is this right here. This is a baby pink kind of blush coloured iPad cover because I needed a new one. Well, I didn't really need a new one, but I wanted a new one. So this one's cute though because you can like fold it and then you can like sit at your desk or on your bed. Currently using my phone light to help me like bounce some light in this video, but I also got a new phone cover. This one's just a grey one. I did want to get the pink one so it could match my pink aesthetic right now, but it wasn't in the sizing for my phone. Okay, this I'm super excited about. So I am not necessarily a handbag girl, but I also am at the same time, but I always have black handbags and I really wanted a new handbag because I was so over my black ones, and I feel like when you wear like light clothing, you can't really wear black, it just messes with it. So I wanted to get a different bag that was a different color. I was gonna get the blush one in this, but I feel like that was gonna get a little bit dirty, and I feel like brown's just a vibe. So I got this handbag. It's just a brown tote. It's actually pretty big. You could fit a few babies in there if you wanted to steal some from the hospital. You could just shove them in there. What I love the most about this tote is it comes with this insert in the middle of it, which you can take out, and it's like a laptop case, which is so amazing. I can like put my iPad in there like so, and then actually I've already got some stuff in here. I've got like adapters and stuff in the side pocket. So if you're someone that goes to uni, or if you're like doing a course right now, or even if you're in high school and you want to be a vibe, I feel like this handbag would be so nice. It's so big. It looks bigger on camera than in person, but I'm so obsessed with this right now, and I was waiting to film this video so I could actually transfer all my stuff in here. Okay, I've got a lot of clothes in this haul. Let's just go through some of the clothes because honestly, Vibe City baby, Vibe City. I actually picked this up today and I put it on, like I tried it on, and I'm actually obsessed with it. It's a long leopard print and kind of like a peachy blush color satin skirt. And it's midi length, so it comes down right in between your knees and your ankles, and it's quite high-waisted. Such a vibe. I was really nervous about picking this up because I didn't know if it would look good on me, but honestly, I felt sexual. I felt nice in it. So that was, how much was this? This was only $18. I feel like Kmart's like summer, spring clothes that are coming in right now. I'm like, are we on Princess Polly or are we not? So the next top I got might have some makeup on it because I did try it on earlier. This is just a black V kind of crop, and then it ties up around the waist. This one is $12 and I bought this to pair with this skirt. So it's pretty basic, will look good with any type of clothing, high-waisted shorts, skirts, jeans, whatever you want. So that one's cute as. This one is really nice. It's just a black kind of peplum top, but it's not so structured, and then it has like the tortoise shell buttons, and this one was also $12. I love the whole like tortoise shell buttons. Obviously it's like a thing right now and I'm into it. I also got this crop top in an olive color. This was $12 and this one has the tortoise shell buttons again. I'm actually wearing this same top in white right now, so I've also picked this one up from Kmart. So they were both $12 each. Really nice crop tops to wear with basic clothing. I'm just really loving this like earthy tortoiseshell vibe right now. How many times have I said vibe already? But again, it wouldn't be a Kmart haul if we didn't say vibe. You know what I mean, babe? Let me just wait for the lighting to make its mind up, because sometimes the lighting is just like, I want to be warm. And then I'm like, no sir, you can't be warm. And then it goes cool, but too cool. And I'm like, What is life? Okay, now we're moving into accessories. I got this leopard print belt. It's just a thin leopard print belt. It's got gold buckle detailing. I just thought this would be really nice with like if I'm wearing a white top and like light blue jeans, pretty much what I'm wearing right now. If I just wanted to like spice up my outfit. This is my clothing situation. Size 10's too small, size 12's too big, so I need a belt. That was the main reason why I picked this up, but I looked at it also and I was like, mood. Anything leopard print, I'm like, I love you. This was only $3. $3 for like a belt. Like, yes, Kmart. I'm not into spending like $45 on a belt that I'm only gonna wear like a couple of times. You know what I mean? I also got this pink hat. So this is just one of those baker boy hats. Is that what you call them? I've got the same one that I picked up from Kmart last winter just gone, I can't remember. But it had like, this little thing was a plait and it was just black, but I love the pink. I just think that this would be such a vibe in summertime and when I go to Thailand. Also keep in mind guys, a lot of the clothes that I've bought, accessories, I'm bringing to Thailand. So I'm starting to shop for Thailand, so there's gonna be a lot more hauls related to me going to Thailand in October. So this stuff's pretty much for Thailand because it's still winter here in Australia and it's too cold to wear this stuff. I got this, which I think is so cute, and I bought this for Thailand too. This is just a leopard print headband, and I just thought when your hair is just like wet or just like wavy, sweaty, I can just put this on and wear like a really nice like linen white dress. It could be a vibe. I think it's gonna be. So excited for Thailand. Got a pack of scrunchies because I wear scrunchies all the time. These ones have little bows, just a black one and then a leopard print one. This was $5 because Kmart's always really good with that. I got this because I thought it was super cute, and I'm the type of person that doesn't like big wallets. I always put like my license and my bank card in the back of my phone, and then if I've got notes or coins, I'll just put them in my pocket. But this is a little coin purse that was only $3, and it's like a really nice brown kind of snake skin. I think it's really cute. Will go really nicely with my bag. You can clip it onto your keys if you want, or you can just pop it in your bag, but it's got like 3 slots for your cards and then a little coin section. So for accessories, I got these, which I'm so in love with. I like these ones because they've got little coin detailing as well as tortoiseshell little circles. They're super cute. These were only $4. You cannot tell me that this isn't a good haul. If you try and tell me that this is a bad haul, we cannot be friends anymore. I got this travel coffee cup. It's like ceramic, like an actual mug. Then it comes with like this rubber around the side and then a little pop-off lid. I just think that this is so cute. It's got a really nice print on it as well. You might not be able to see in the lighting because the lighting's so bad right now, but I just thought this would be really good in the morning before work. I can make myself a coffee, take it with me. What else did I get? I also got some new lashes from Kmart, but I've worn them. They're actually on my eyes right now. OXX have new lashes and they look like the Ardell Wispies. So, like, they're like $5. Oh, I nearly forgot. Hang on 2 seconds. I really don't know if you can see on camera, but I got the 2 white suitcases from Kmart. This one was $49 and this one was $79 for Thailand. They're honestly so freaking cute. Actual vibe though, like straight up vibe. Like all those outfits that I just showed you guys, and then this, like you cannot tell me that that's not gonna be a vibe. I'll be so sad if it's not a vibe.